Hey, these sections will discuss about the concept of functions, one of the most important ideas of mathematics. You may notice that I use a different color to write the the title, right? So this one is the blue color because I believe that in functions there should be a fun element or no. Okay, but anyway, before we do that, let's have a brief review of Cartesian coordinate system in a plane and how to plot the graphs of equation. So the Cartesian or rectangular coordinate system is formed by two real number lines, as you can see over here, the horizontal lines and the vertical lines. Now these two lines actually is a number lines, but they intersect perpendicularly, and the intersections is what we know as the origin points, or 0, 0. So the up axis and the right axis are the usual choices for the positive directions, while the horizontal axis is always referred to the x-axis and the vertical axis is always referred to the y-axis. Please bear with me because this is just a review. And this will form 4 quadrants, and it starts from counterclockwise. So this is called the first quadrant, the second quadrant, the third quadrant, and the fourth quadrant. Now let's say we have a point P. This point P is defined as the can be expressed in two numbers, the abscissa and the ordinate. A stands for the abscissa, B referred to the ordinate, and we call this as the coordinates, and sometimes refer also as the order pairs. As you can see over here, the R, the abscissa, is 10, which refer to the x value, and negative 10 refers to the y value. For the Q over here, you can see that negative 5 is always referred to the x value, and then the positive 5 refers to the y value. So to make it easy for us, the A is always for the x value, B is for the y value. Now how does this help us? When we are about to sketch the graph of an equations in two variables, we plot several points so that the shapes of the graph is apparent. Then we connect those points with a smooth curve. This process is what we call as a point by point plotting. I'll write it down. Okay, there we have it. Sketch the graph. So this is point by point plotting. Now just to make it clear, okay, this is also called as the order pairs. Okay, I'm going to give the example in the next page. Okay, so let's say we have an example. Sketch the graph of an equations which is y squared equal with 100 divided by x squared plus 1. Now the first thing, when we are about to sketch the graph of the equations, we need to have the data, right? I mean the points to plot, or the order pairs. Now to make the order pairs, we need to make up the table of solutions. So let's make the table of solutions first. I'll put this one, and then 1, 2. Okay, sorry if it's messy. And then let's have x, y. Okay, and let's put the integer value, because we want to have an easy mental calculation. So let's start with x equal with 0, and then 1, 2, and then 3. So if x equal with 0, then what we'll have is 100 divided by 0 square plus with 1. So 100 divided by 1 is 100, and then we'll get y squared equal with 100. it means that the y is plus minus 10. Okay, and let's move to the second. If we have x equal with 1, then 100 divided by 1 squared plus with 100 divided by 2 is 50. So then we'll have over here plus minus square root of 50. Then for if x is equal with 2, then 100 divided by 2 square, which is 4, plus with 100 divided by 5, that will be plus minus square root of 20, plus minus square root of 20. And then the last one, if it's 3, then we'll have it over here, we'll get it also plus minus, if 3, 9 squared plus with 1, which is 10, 100 divided by 10 is 10, so we'll have plus minus square root of 10. Now I wonder if x is not positive, let's say, yeah, okay, 0 is not positive, it's not negative, but let's say if we have negative 1, will it be different? If we have negative 2, will it be different? And negative 3? So apparently, since this is a square over here, then we can be sure that if it's a negative, it will have the same number. So I'll add it over here. This is plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3. So then we are now ready to plot the graph. Yeah. Okay, let's just be quick on this one. Okay, let's move it over here. Now probably, okay, not probably, sorry, the estimations, then it could be something like this. If it is x equal with 0, yeah, then we'll have plus minus 10. This is 10 plus minus, this is minus 10. Okay, now plus minus 50 is around plus minus 7.1, and then plus minus 20 is about 4.5. Wow, how can you tell, Mr. Budi? Yeah, I counted first. Okay, and then plus minus 10, that will be 3.2. Correct me if I'm mistaken. Okay, so based on what we have, then we have it over here, this 10, this plus minus 10. So when we have x equal with 1 and negative 1, then we'll get it around 7.1. So 7.1 is around, probably around here. Okay, okay, so it works also for this and here. Okay, and then if we get plus minus 2, so this is 2 and then this is minus 2, then we'll have it around plus minus 4.5. Now this is 5, this is 5, and then we'll have it around plus minus 4.5. Yeah, so probably it's around here and around here. Sorry for a messy drawing. Okay, yeah, using the iPad, sometimes it can be difficult. And then plus minus 10 will have plus minus 3 for the x, then we'll get plus minus 10 or around plus minus 3.2. So 3.2 probably around here. Yeah, okay, and then around here. Okay, so when I try to plot it, I'm going to use a different color, then probably it will be something like this. Yeah, okay, to make it smooth for each one of us, yeah, I actually already have the drawing. Okay, so I'm going to show you the drawing. Okay, there you go. you have the graph. Yeah. Okay, so that's from me, and in the next video I'm going to show you more examples about functions.